Hello everybody, Duck here. And before we start this video, I don't know, some parter, I just want to tell you that the following video contains foul language and dark things. So, enjoy the fucking video. Huh? What was that? Oh, for fuck's sake. It was a wonderful time on the island of Sodor. Percy was being a silly Billy, like usual. Hello, Thomas. Hey, Percy. So, what are you doing? Taking this train out. Ew, where's it going? I don't know, Wellsworth. Hey, Edward? Yes, Thomas? Tell me stories about the old line. I can't. I'm taking this passenger to Bow. Wait, we have Bow? Yeah, we're using some parts of the railway series. Ooh, you find out soon. Wink. Oh, you what? I'll just hang out here. Then came along the familiar bell. Hello, off. Toby, yes, it is me, and I've come here to tell you about you wanted a story, right? Yep. Well, a long time ago. Back in 1914, back when the Northwestern Railway wasn't even formed. A long time ago. You said that already. Okay, fine. It was 1914. It was the time of World War One. The Sheldon mainland and the Wellsworth and Surrey line were both still separate, but the first controller wanted to try the Northwestern Railway idea, so they hired a tank engine from the London, Brighton, South Coast. Wait, that's my class. Yes, Thomas, it was your class. This engine was kind and gentle. He was painted silver with the number 0 on his side. Oh, I think I know where we're going. Yep, and you'll find out why. This engine was called Timothy. He was a really nice engine. He'd get along with Colin, Lily, Adam, Neil, Clive, and Matthew. God, I miss those guys. Yep. Wait, Colin, Lily, and Adam are dead. Shut up. One day he was waiting at the station. Come on, Timothy. Yeah. Get a move on. You're 12 seconds. You are 1 minute and 99 seconds ahead of schedule. Yeah, sure thing. And Timothy went on his way. But when he approached the next station, he couldn't stop. Wait, Timothy, what are you doing? Timothy didn't answer. He just kept rolling. Then disaster struck. I will send you water your permanent graveyards. Shit. The body of the engine wasn't even recognizable anymore. It was just a mangled heap of scrap that nobody even cared for. And it is said on every year on the date of the accident, which is this month, the ghost will rise again, and he will look for someone to bring to hell. Damn. How great. Percy's fallen asleep again. X. Oh shit. Here he goes again. Get out of the way, whoa. You're dead. Shit. Jesus, that gives me the heebie-jeebies, said Percy. I know, said Thomas. Then Edward shoved in. He was all red in the face and he wheezing and peeving. Didn't even ask. Oh, thank you. Wait, Toby. Yeah? Did you make up that story just to take the piss? Because you know I'm going out with the train tonight? No. Well, don't you worry, because I will pull you back onto the rails. See, I used magic. Now let's disappear. Wow. Wow, no shit. Thomas then went on his way with his very important train. That was priced of fuel, a box, and a brake van. That somehow had a number, but no brake van even did. It was around 11 in the night. Thomas was going happily along his line when random ghost music. Bitch, what the fuck? Whoa. Luckily, nobody was hurt, but Thomas had come off the rails. Come, don't start! Once an engine attached to a train was afraid of a few drops of rain, said James. Oh guys, would you stop? Then Duck came out, then someone came out of nowhere. Hello everybody, Duck! Where? No, you. Oh, well, I just wanted to say that Thomas had had an accident. Since when did you become the Fat Controller? Well, we don't have one for a start, and we don't even have the big red controller. Ah, what a classic that was. Yep, those are our most popular videos, and plus now we've got over 40,000 views. Thank you, everybody. And so, I want one of Henry. Yeah, I want you to take Thomas's train. Why me? Because I fucking said so. Fine. And Henry went on his way. And then James started panicking. Where's my baby boy? Where's my baby boy, James? Edward. He'll be back. Phew. Hey, James. Did you miss me? Yes! Let's go. Oh, the indignity. Jesus Christ, Thomas, what happened? He's back. He's back. Who is? Timothy, the ghost train. Seriously? We're doing that? Yeah. What about out 98462? We'll get her in soon. Just help me. Fine. After a long struggle, heaving and hauling, clanking and pranking, he pulled Thomas back onto the rails. Can you stop saying that? No, I will not. Just then, Emily rolled up. I came here to help you, Thomas. Thanks, Mummy. What? Nothing. Well, I'm gonna take you to the steamwork. I'm gonna take you to Crowens Gate. Are we really using Victor Tanzig's universe? Yes, why not? Yes. And Henry took the train away. Here you are, Thomas. Great, now she disappeared. Yes, my plan is now working. Those engines shall suffer under their buffers, and I will finally take what's mine. Yes, whiz. Woo, bollocks. I'm a brake van. Ugh, I got a lot of work today. Tut. Eat chance or something? Yes. Part 2 is coming soon. Express coming through.